back to my channel. This is Joy. Today I'm going to show you a very simple way how you can make your own lemongrass oil. This oil is very beneficial for skin. It's very beneficial, and this oil is super easy to make. So I'm going to just show you a simple way how you can make this oil in your home, in your kitchen. So if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell beside the subscribe button so that you will not miss my video. I upload video on this channel almost every day. If you are new in this channel, you are most welcome. Check out other of my videos. I have amazing and interesting video that you will learn and benefit from it. Thank you, and let's get into it. So guys, this is my lemongrass stick. So you need the stick, lemongrass stick. So what I would do, I have to cut them into small pieces. We know that lemongrass can be very tough and strong, so you have to separate this. Lemongrass have an amazing benefit because of its medicinal property. Lemongrass oil helps to relieve pain. It helps for muscle pain. If you have a muscle pain, you can use a lemongrass oil and it's going to relieve the muscle pain. If you have headache, if you have fever, cold, cough, lemongrass oil is able to get rid of those infections. So this is very beneficial. You can use lemongrass oil for your hair, for your skin. It's very beneficial for your hair and for skin also. So I'm just going to chop all of them into the small pieces. Finish chopping the stick into a small pieces. You can pound it if you have mortar at home. So now I'm going to add my double boiler. So guys, after you put hot water on your double boiler, then this is what you have: a bowl. You just drop your bowl inside the double boiler, and this is my grapeseed oil. So I'm gonna add my grapeseed oil into the double boiler. Then I will add my lemongrass into the grapeseed oil. If you don't have a grapeseed oil, you can use rice bran oil, or you use olive oil. But for me, olive oil is so strong for me. That is why I'm using the grapeseed oil. And you can use almond oil. So you put in a very low heat and you leave it for over 1 hour. So from there, the lemongrass will infuse into the oil. This is how it's gonna look. So guys, I'm gonna check it now to see how the oil is doing. As you can see, my god, this oil smells so good. The lemongrass scent is all over my house. So you keep on stirring it. So you have to be careful because it's really hot. So I'm just going to let it sit for a while, then I will filter it. So guys, I'm going to filter my oil now. The lemongrass smells so good. You can try it this way. It's very simple to make and there's no stress. So you can make your own lemongrass oil. So this is perfect. So guys, this is my lemongrass oil and it is ready to use. This oil is very good. It's very beneficial for skin. You can use it to relieve stress. You can use it for pain. If you have body pain, if you have headache, if you have cold, catarrh, you can use this lemongrass oil. It is very beneficial for skin. So that is the simple way to make lemongrass oil. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this video is useful and helpful to you. Thank you. So guys, that is the end of this video. If you know this video was helpful and useful to you, please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell beside the subscribe button so that you will not miss any of my video. I upload video on this channel almost every day, and if you are new in this channel, thank you for joining me on this channel. Thank you for all my subscribers, and God bless you. And thank you for taking your time to watch and share this video with your friends, your loved ones, and your family. Leave a comment below. I'm happy to reply to all your message. Thank you for taking your time to watch. I hope this video is useful and helpful to you. Thank you, and bye for now.